taking good care of your soils is very, very crucial in organic farming. As an organic farmer, it is very important to enhance your soil fertility. There are various ways on how you can improve your soil fertility, and these include crop rotation, intercropping, planting legumes, and you can use organic fertilizers such as liquid manure. And today I would like to talk to you simple processes of making liquid manure. Making liquid manure is a very simple process because the materials used can be found on most organic farms. Such materials include fresh dung from domestic animals such as pigs, sheep, goats, and cows that is obtained from animals kept under organic farming system. The fresh dung will provide nitrogen to your liquid manure, which is needed for better crop yields. You will also need green materials such as peelings from foodstuffs, fruits, and plants such as Tithonia, Glycidia, Acacia, bitter leaves, among others. These materials provide micronutrients such as phosphorus, magnesium, calcium, potassium, which are needed for better crop production. You will also need water, preferably rainwater and water from boreholes because it is free from contamination. You will need ash, which can be obtained as a byproduct from burning wood. The ash will provide potassium to the liquid manure. You will also need dry materials such as napier grass, maize straws, spear grass, couch grass, among others. Dry materials act as a source of carbon to your liquid manure. And the other materials include a drum, which can be metallic or plastic, a polythene bag, a steering stick, and a sisal sack. Now that we have all the materials needed to make our liquid manure, let's get busy. Start by chopping dry and fresh materials into smaller particles to ease the decomposition process. Add all the different materials, including fresh and dry materials, into an empty drum. Put fresh dung into a sisal bag and suspend it in drum while hanging it on a wooden stick. Add water to the whole mixture. Cover the top of the drum loosely with a polythene bag to prevent evaporation of nutrients but allowing in some air. At this stage, your liquid manure production process is complete. Well done. What is the percentages of these materials used? Dung is 20%, dry material is 30%, fresh material is 40%, and the 10% is the water and the ash. You should write down the date you have finished making your liquid manure to ensure you harvest it at the right time. In our case, our liquid manure will be ready for application on the crops after 120 days. So, how do you ensure your liquid manure production process goes smoothly? You have to stir your liquid manure with a dry stick once a week such that the materials blend and decompose faster. After 1 week from the time you finish making your liquid manure, You will notice the following: a bad smell upon uncovering your liquid manure. You will see maggots on top of your liquid manure, and bubbles will start forming on top of your manure. This is confirmation that your production process is on the right track. How do you harvest your liquid manure? First and foremost, you remove the suspended sack on top of the drum. Use a clean container to extract the liquid manure you are going to use from the drum. Remember, you have to dilute your liquid manure before applying it to your crops. This reduces its concentration, which helps to avoid burning of your crops. Liquid manure can be applied around the crop or as a forage fertilizer, meaning you can apply it on the leaves of your crops. The amount of liquid fertilizer you apply on your crop depends on the nutrient status of your soils. If you are going to apply liquid manure as a forage fertilizer, it is recommended to apply it on your crops early in the morning or in the evening to avoid scorching of your plants. You can use a knapsack sprayer when applying your liquid manure, or a watering can with a nozzle, or a gel can with a perforated top or lid. In conclusion, organic farmers must prioritize enhancing soil fertility to ensure optimal yields, because soil plays a key role in any organic farming system.